Alright, boys and girls, well, welcome to Gorangi. What? Who placed the camera back there? No, I'm just kidding. Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar, and I'm your host. And yes, something is wrong here, or maybe right, I'm not sure. I thought we need some new setting here for 2025, and here I am, a little bit more visually in front of the cam. And yeah, I will still hide behind my glasses, and maybe sometimes I would go fully back to the standard setup. But yeah, I thought we can try this and see if that works. So yeah, hope you will stay with me and hang on here on Goran Guitar. So let's go into this tutorial. So we have a song here from Jamie Miller. It's called Long Way Home. And yeah, it's a very straightforward song when it comes to guitar playing. We have the capo set on the first fret. That's the greatest setup. And with that, we have 4 chords and 2 variations of the same chords also. I'm going to come to that first. Let's go into this. And we're going to start with this A minor chord, all right? So that is played open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F major 7/C. All right, so that's basically the F major chord, but then we will throw in the C note as well. So that gives us third on A, third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Then we have the standard C. That goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, the G, and this is the chord I talked about when I have 2 variations of it. The standard way will be to have just 2 fingers like this, 3rd fret on E, 2nd on A, and then open strings downwards. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. All right? This is the main grip for G in this song, but then we'll also go in with this one, okay? And that is the G D chord. That is 5th on A, 5th on D, 4th on G, 3rd on B, and open E. All right, so I'm going to show you when to play that. First, it starts with just 1 down of the same chords in the same order we learned. And so 1 down on A minor, 1 down on F C, then 1 down on C, and then 1 down on G. When I say G, I always mean pretty much this version of it, all right? That is how it starts, and sometimes just before the chorus is also played with just 1 down. Maybe not the full corporation, but the first 2 chords or so. That is one way of handling it, but the main thing here is the strumming pattern. So let's take a look at that now. Go back to the A minor chord, and 1 string around will be down, down, up, like this. All right? So down, down, up, up. And I like to separate these 2 downs. So the first down, I play a bit more on the bass strings. And then I play the rest in the mid top area. So down and then up, down, up. This is also played in tempo. I play it slowly, and then I gradually work my way up there to the standard tempo. And a couple of rounds with A minor will sound like this. All right, and then we have that corporation. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So A minor 2, FC2, C2, and G2, like this. Okay, and sometimes when he plays it, he adds some extra to the last chord, the G, and it goes like this. Okay, so what that is to play 1 string around on G first, and then comes this part, okay, and it goes, gonna focus on the B string and open to first, okay, and then
first again, and then first to open.
So slowly it goes like this with a melody. Now you're just gonna strum it and try to build that into a strumming pattern. Okay, so it goes like this slowly. And then you just start all over again. So in a context, it goes like this. And so on. All right. And then I also mentioned the chord GD. Okay, we have it right here. Sometimes it's played as well, and I can just point out some timestamps there. You can see it very clearly at 1 minute and 17 seconds. Okay, and you can also see it in the end of the song at 3:33. You see he plays this chord, and what that is, you're gonna play A minor 2, F C2, C2, and then when you come to the G, you play like 4 downs of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you continue to a new strumming round of A minor. So in a context, it goes like this. And then you just continue right there. Okay, and then we have a different thing here, the final thing that kind of stands out from the standard 4-chord strumming, and that is the bridge part. It happens about 2 minutes and 31 seconds into the song. What you're gonna do here is the start is a little bit different. You're gonna play A minor 1, then you go to G1, okay? So the first chord, the A minor 2, it's split there, so A minor 1 and G1, and then you just continue the same way, F C2, C2, and G2. So it goes like this. Again, A, G, F, C, C, and G. And there you have all the parts to handle Jimmy Miller's Long Way Home. All right, guys, so I mentioned it and you saw it in the intro of this tutorial. I am sitting here and you can see a little bit more of me. We'll see if I'm gonna go with that style all the way through or mix it up in the beginning. We'll see where we land on this. But anyway, I really want to thank everybody. And yeah, this is my way. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, like always, play tuned.